Hello, welcome to this new video on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are making money as usual. This is basically the first video of 2026 on my channel, so happy new year everyone. And I'm gonna give away something, so make sure you stick till the end of this video. So basically I have a lot of new year resolution and a lot of them is about you guys, so make sure you pay close attention. So first thing is I want to kind of apologize. Like since I started trading, it has always been about myself. I always prioritize making more money. Everything is just about myself. I never really thought of others. I never really thought of like the broad side of things, about my parents, about you guys as well, about a lot of things. So this year is the year that I want to change that. I want to also help others, not just myself. So first thing is I started helping my parents. I was renovating their house, and that's probably gonna be like a new YouTube video coming for that, and I probably spend like 30 to 40k just to renovate the house for them, and that's really good. I'm now really happy that I'm not just traveling and enjoying the forex money by myself. I'm also helping my parents with it, and yes, it's actually a really good thing because they've spend money on me for me to grow up and everything, so I have to pay them back in a way. So that's like the first thing I can do for them. And the second one is for you guys. I'm here to help you guys. I have gotten a lot of complaints about how expensive my mentorship is due to the fact that I'm African, and most of you guys watching me also from Africa, and you know how it's really difficult to get money in Africa, and I charge my mentorship like $500, $200, $1,000. That's like really expensive for you guys. And now I realize that it's very expensive, and because of that I try to make a lot of things for free. Okay, I want to help you guys to learn, and then by not spending a lot of money, right? So there's a lot of things going on right now. Let me tell you guys one by one, and by the end of this video I'm also going to teach you guys some strategy that I use. Like I took a trade, I'm going to break down for you guys as well, for you to learn something, so you can apply and probably become profitable as well. So the first thing here is that I launched a free signal group. You heard me right, free. Okay, it's free. The only way for you to join is you go and apply for it. You just have to sign up with one of the brokers I'm using, probably Exness or XM. You just have to sign up, create an account with my link. Once you do create the account, you submit your account ID, and then once you get approved, then you can join the free Telegram signal group. And the free Telegram signal group, for now, I'm not gonna like send like entries, prices, like buy now at this and sell now at this. No. I'm actually gonna share chart. I'm gonna share like zones that I'm gonna looking to buy from. Let's say if I'm looking at gold right now and probably is at a support line or a resistance line, or maybe a support, or maybe another block or a breaker block, I will just share the chart of that, and all you need to do is when price comes there, you can just directly buy and set your stop loss probably around the zone, or you can just look for confirmation entry as well. I'm gonna share a lot of chart. It's gonna help you guys to take free setup and then make some money as well. So that is what I'm planning here. Everything is what free. Just go create an account with my broker link, and then join the group. All you need to do is learn from the setup and take the trade, and that's all you need to do. There is nothing paid about it, right? You just need enough money to fund your account to trade. That's it. So that's the first thing I'm probably gonna do for you guys, and I hope that you guys will like it. And by the way, if you are signing up with one of the brokers I'm using, like XM or Exness, these two brokers I'm partnered with them, right? So if you ever had any issue with them about KYC or anything related, you just DM me. I'm gonna help you out with it, right? So that's like the good thing about when you sign up with my link. I'm gonna help you whenever you get into trouble. I'm not gonna let you down, right? And this is one way, and the other way is my mentorship that used to be like $500, $250 and everything. I created the cheapest version of it up to like $15. All it costs is buy a PDF that has access to all my strategy for what? $15. That's literally, if you're in Ghana, that's literally like 160 cities. 160 cities, that's literally like a dinner in a restaurant. So you just have to like cancel that one dinner, and then you have enough money to buy the PDF. So everything linked below this video. So go and get the PDF and start learning from it. And you are not just gonna get a PDF, you are also gonna get access to my Discord group, right? So you are getting what? a premium Discord where you can ask me question and I'm gonna reply to you. You can share your setup. I'm gonna reply to every question you ever had about trading. You can ask me in that Discord. I'm gonna reply to you. All you need to do is what? It costs only $15 and you have lifetime access to that Discord, lifetime access to that PDF. So what do? Go and purchase it right now and then join and start the year with me. And whenever you have a question, feel free to reach out. I'm gonna help you out. So this is basically some of the changes I've made to help you guys a lot, because some of you guys are complaining about not having enough money to learn how to trade from me and stuff. So you have the cheapest way. Go join my Signal right now, fund your account, start trading, or you can just get the PDF, which costs less than just a dinner in a restaurant, and then you can join. Very simple. And aside that, I still have my paid Signal group, which is $47, but that's for people that want like exact entry, buy now, sell now at this price, and you have money to pay for the price. If you have money and you have money to pay for the Signal group, you can also go for that. But yes, I did my best to make a lot of things free, and even on my free Telegram, I'm probably gonna share a lot of free resources as well. So make sure you join the free Telegram as well. That would be pretty much it. And by the way, this week was my first trading week of 2026. I took a couple of setups, right? I did share 2 of the setup to my Signal group, the paid Signal group, by the way, and both of them hit TP1. It didn't hit full TP, but it hit TP1. So some people probably have taken some partial or maybe the close position, or I don't know, break even, could be anything. But yeah, I had 2 TPs, and then I myself took more than 2 setups. And as I'm making this video, I have secured a payout of $6,000 on my FundingPips account. And you guys are asking me if I'm still trading with FundingPips. Yes, I'm still trading with FundingPips, but that is the same account since I made that video saying that I had issue with copy trading related and all of that. So yes, the same account since that day, I haven't blown it. 200k account, it got scaled up to 280k, and right now I made another $6,000 and I'm just waiting for a payout this 15 January. So basically like in 4 days or 5 days, right? And I'm really happy. And with FundingPips, I have 650k account with FundingPips. The reason why I'm trading 50k with FundingPips is because if you are trading 100k, whenever you pass phase 1, you have to wait for 2 days for review. When you pass phase 2, you have to wait for another 2 days for review. But when you are trading 50k or below, then you don't have to go through all of this review. So you are getting your live account way faster than you trading 100k. That's why I prefer trading 50k with FundingPips. So 6 account I'm copy trading. So if I do pass, I'm passing all the account at once. As I'm making this video, I'm down 2.4% on my FundingPips account, like the 50k account I bought. But that's fine. I mean, these are the challenges. I'll probably gonna pass or blow. If I blow, that's fine. I'm just gonna buy a new account. And by the way, I think FundingPips still has 20% off if you use the coupon code AstuceFX, and this applies to everyone. If you want to buy an account, use coupon code AstuceFX with FundingPips. You're gonna have a 20% off. Whether you bought an account before or you never bought an account, it works for you. I think it works up to like 18 January, so make sure you go and use it right now. And that would be pretty much it for the changes I've tried to make toward you guys this year. I'm trying to make everything as cheap as possible, as free as possible, for you guys to learn from me as well. And aside all of this, I have a lot of goals for myself as well, like maybe buying things, but again, I'm not gonna disclose all of that to you guys. So that would be pretty much it about my new year resolution for you guys. And obviously I'm gonna make more money, you know, and I'm planning to trade more personal account as well than just trading Profam. You know how I've only been trading Profam last year, but last year I made more than 200k, so I'm probably gonna like deposit 50k in my personal account and trade with that 50k and probably make a lot of money from that 50k. Who knows, maybe I can take that 50k to like $1 million in 1 year. Can I do that? I have no idea. So that would be pretty much it. So let's go on my chart right now and let's check. I'm gonna show you guys the trade I took that make me that $6,000, and I hope that you learn something from it. So basically, this was the setup I took on my FundingPips account. The one I took on my FundingPips account is somewhere up here, and that was the stop loss, right? Like really bad entry. But yeah, the reason why I bought here is because we have this nice H1 order block right here, right? You see this nice H1 order block right here. What did I do? Price came, it tapped that H1 order block. If I draw a line for you, that would be like this. that would be yeah. So basically we have this H1 order book right here. Price came in top once, and when price came in top right here, I was already buying. I had a buy, and I think price came and took me out. I had an buy, price took me out. So I had basically 2 stop losses right here trying to buy. And then later when price came in, it tapped this exact line right here. Then when price moved away, then I bought right there and I took my TP somewhere here. The TP I took here made me about $11,000, but if I held onto this high here, I would have probably made like $30,000. So I was really pissed that I closed my trade way before it hit that full TP. I'm really pissed, but I mean, it's okay. I made $6,000, nothing to complain about. That's 1 week of trading by me. Really happy. So the reason I bought is pretty simple. Order block right here, price came tap. I look for confirmation and I bought. And when I was talking about my free signal group, if this was to happen on the free signal group, I would have drawn this thing for you guys. And I would maybe put an arrow right here and something like this. So meaning what? If price come tap here, you should be looking for buys. So when price come and tap this exact line, right, or this exact order block right here, you should be looking for buys. So how do you buy? You can just buy right there, put the stop loss below the order block, and then just like target TP. You can do that, or if you want, you can go to the lower time frame. If you have more skill, you can go to the lower time frame and then look for confirmation entry and buy as well. So that would be pretty much it for the setup I took, and that would also be pretty much it how I'm gonna be sharing setup on that free signal as well. So make sure you check the link below this video to join the free signal group. Go sign up to my dashboard and then go to trade with AstuceFX, and you will be able to trade with me, right? That would be pretty much it for this video. If you like this sort of content, make sure you subscribe. And for the giveaway, I don't know, just comment anything nice below this video. It doesn't have to be giveaway related. Whatever you comment, I'm gonna choose a lucky commenter and probably gonna send you $50. I'm gonna send you $50 to a lucky one of you guys out there. And I'm gonna announce the winner on my Telegram, my free Telegram account, right, or community. So make sure you join the free Telegram community on the link below this video as well. So that would be pretty much it. See you guys on my next content.